Hey guys, in this super quick video, what I'm going to show you how to do is break this data here into multiple sheets in a really fast and easy way. So first things what we're going to do is we're going to select our data and then we're going to click format as a table. So let's pick a table style here, press OK. Once we've got that set up, we're going to go into our data tab in the ribbon and then we're going to click from table and range. Once we click that up, our Power Query Editor will pop up. Once this loads for us correctly, what we're going to do is we have a table here already and we're just going to copy and we're going to paste it. So it'll give us two tables here. We're going to name the first table research because that's one of the departments I have. And then we're going to name the other table IT. And what I'm going to do in the IT department is I'm going to go over to the department, I'm going to filter, and I'm just going to select IT, press OK. And then for the research department, I'm going to do exactly the same. I'm going to go back into the department, I'm going to unselect them and just select research. Once I've done that, I'll have two tables, both selected for the departments. Last step here is we're going to click close and load. And what that's going to do is going to take our data, and as you can see here, it's going to run it, and it's going to bring our data into two new sheets called research and IT. So it's fairly simply how we generate our tables into multiple sheets.